Hi everyone, it's Joanne, the Crafty Sensei. I thought I would share with you my Michaels haul that I did. A lot of these items are clearance with the exception of a few, so let's get right into it. So I bought these two different toppers. I believe they were 60 or 80% off, and it's the Celebrate, and it's a spring theme. And these ones are, as I said, toppers, but you can take off the stick if you want. You can layer them on cards, or you can even just layer them on things that you create. And they're even great little Happy Mail pieces. Maybe you do a loaded pocket or something, or loaded envelope. And then I got this one here. Oh, the little cheetahs, they're so cute. All right, then I found these flowers. I have a different style of flower, but these were in the same section, and I like that these ones don't have a really big yellow or the centerpiece, so you know, it'll leave you to decorate it if you want to put bling in the center or just leave as is. They do have the wire on the back, but that's okay. I just cut that stuff off. I really love Jane Davenport items. I just love the color. I love the look, and just like, I just love it all. I created an ATC card that I gifted to Tammy's Creative Cards and Crafts, and I've made some Memdex cards using Jane Davenport napkins, and I did that as well. So maybe I'll share that in a later video. And so that's those. These were only $2.97, and these are rub-ons. So I thought I might be able to use those as well. I got these beads. I seen a lot of people using these and thought they were really adorable. I had to use my coupon for those, so that's okay. That's great. Got this little cupcake holder. Love the colors. As soon as I saw that, I knew I had to get those, because so much you can do with those rosettes and all that. There's so many different things you can do with cupcake holders. I needed some gold head pins. I have upcoming tutorial once I get the items in with some jewelry or some project shares that I'm going to be doing with it. So I need some gold and with some head pins. So those. Now I can get into the good stuff. I picked up this keychain that has the two pom-poms and then the tassel on it. And it's got the gold on it. And I believe these were only $2, I think. I think they were $2. I like that. That's just sweet, especially the pom-poms. So I got them in 3 different colors. I got the white and the black. And then I got it in the mint color as well. Yeah, so they're really cute. The mint is in silver, when the other 2 are in gold. Okay, then I got these 2 little pom-poms. Oh my God, look at this. Even the lady at the checkout, the eyes are goo-goo eyes, like they're googly eyes, like they move around and everything. They are so stinking cute. And it's got the gold on it. I just love that they're wearing glasses. And then I got this one as well. Oh, his one eye moves around more than the other one. He's so cute. So that's that. And then I got these. Aren't these adorable? These, again, I think they were $2. They're between 2 and 3. This one is wood, but the rest of them are rubber, except for this one. This is wood. Yep, that one's wood. So the rest are rubber. And I didn't realize that until I was at the checkout, and she's like, oh my gosh, because I thought they were wood. And we discovered that the top and the bottom piece are wood, but the in-between are actually rubber. Love the colors, and then you get the little tassel on the bottom. And so I got 3 of those. I believe these were only $2. I think they're like $1.97. And then I saw these. So I got the variety of colors, and these were $2.97 each. And this one is like the rose gold with the pearl color. I love rose gold. think I love rose gold more than I love just regular gold, but I really just love any type of gold, like gold colors. I just love it. But that's that one. Then I have this pink one. Love it, has the little diamonds going through it. It's like disco ball. This one looks like a soccer ball, kind of, but it's much more cuter in person. This one's got the diamonds going across, a little bit more bling. That looks like a crown. So those are cute. That one, these are just see-through with a little shine. Can't remember what that's called. It's really pretty. This one has hearts in it. And this is a different color with the hearts, with the bluish going through it. And these were blue colors, so they kind of go together. And this one is a purpley color, almost like a mauve. It's really pretty. It's like a purple and a white, like a cream color going through it. This is more of like a beige. Little diamond pieces. And this diamond piece, like around it, is actually pink on the inside. I have these in several different colors that I got at Michael's from some time ago. And then again, some more pink. These are going to look really great with charms, like purse charms and all that stuff. Even just with bracelet. I have a bracelet idea that I want to do, so I'm going to give that a try, but that's those. And I saw these ones. I couldn't remember if I bought these on my last clearance haul at Michael's, but I love going through the bead section and finding things, and these ones were only $2.97 as well. And you know, like the green tag here in Canada is like $10 or $11. So yeah, I think it's around $10 or $11. Those are such pretty colors, and it's metal. It's actually just metal, and they're hollow. So I got 2 of those. And then I got these beads for $1.57 maybe. They were $10. And they're the little balls, and they have like the head pin on the bottom and a little bit more charms on the top. So again, that would be great to add to Happy Mail and all that, or even just gift as a embellishment inside of an embellishment box. Then I got these super cute charms. Who doesn't love pineapple, especially the gold pineapple? Oh, and I got a Eiffel Tower. So I bought 3 of the pineapples. Those are so cute. And the Eiffel Tower, those were all $1.57 each. So I think my embellishment stuff is now added up to enough things that I want. I say that now, though, until I go back to Michael's. I'm sure it would be a different story when I see more clearance. Then I got these hot air balloons. It's so cute. It's got like the pinkish color, the green, the white, and then it's got a little tiny basket at the bottom. So when you in your hot air balloon, they are super adorable. And again, just $1.57. And I believe those were the only 2. I might go back later, and if not, I might go back and get them. And then I got these. Like, they remind me of little llamas. And they got a little tassel for a tail. Look at them. Look how cute that is. I just love the colors. So adorable. So I got 2 of those. Just love it. Oh, yeah. And then my last one was this roller skate. And it even has like a little, like the lace up part right there. Tell you, back in my day, I was an amazing roller skater. Miss that. I used to roller skate with my dog there for a while. My husband and I did. So that was $1.57 as well. And then I went to a local drugstore to send out a package, and I saw these. Oh my God, isn't it adorable? It's got the little sequin, and that they all flip, so then you get the different colors. So you get the black, and then when you flip it, it's pink on the other side. They don't flip like the regular t-shirts and that do, but isn't that cute? And it's like just a little keychain. That was only like $4 at our little store. It's got the little tail and the little mohawk in the back. He's so cute with his ears. So I picked up 2 of those. That'd be great for Happy Mail. But that's all I have for you guys today. I guess that's it. And I will see you guys soon in another video. Bye.